What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and I have this website right here with a slider made using Slider Revolution plugin, and I have these two sliders, but I would like to have a third one with a different text, a different button link, but into the same design of these two ones right here, okay? This dark background, this text bigger, this subtext, and a button. How to copy this to a new slider? This is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on the browser address bar, enter with your domain name plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, and review the left sidebar of menus. Into the left sidebar of menus, you're gonna review the option called Slider Revolution. Into the bottom left side, click on it. Then scroll down and find your slider. I have this one right here called Home. Hover my mouse over it into this pencil icon and click on it. We are loading the content, and if you review the upper left corner of my screen, you have the WordPress logotype, back, and slides. Hover mouse over slides, and right here I have 3 slides. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one, and I have now only 2 slides. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this style. Why? I'm gonna hover my mouse over this slide right here. Here is the slide style, and right here I'm gonna be able to see a couple of buttons. This one, and this gear one. One to view, one to delete, and one to copy, and another to config. I'm gonna click into this one to copy. Now, if you go to the slides, you're gonna be able to see 3 slides. I'm gonna click into the third one, then I'm gonna change the text. I'm gonna change this other text right here. Let me just select the text. I'm gonna click into the button. Let me change a link. Let me apply a link into this button. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here where I do explain the step-by-step of adding links. On the slider. Link added. Now, all I have to do is change the background image. So I'm gonna review the upper right corner of my screen. We have this option right here and this one. I'm gonna click on it. Background, media library. Let's load the media and find a good image. I think this one is fancy. Nice, right? Now save change. And let's view the results we got. Slider Revolution sometimes load cache, so you need to clear up the website cache to see the final results. Second slider, and third slider. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!